how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope that you are all doing well and healthy. Today we are opening up the March Allure Beauty Box. So today we're going to do an unboxing, then at the end of the video I will do a quick review of the items from last month. I will leave a timestamp down below if you want to jump around. So Allure Beauty Box you can buy directly through Allure, or you can also purchase it on Amazon. Last month I brought it up that I was wondering like if Amazon subscribers get it earlier, and a lot of you guys were so informative and smart and let us know that for Amazon you actually get your box delivered like around the time you order it. So if you order it in the beginning of the month, you will continue getting it in the beginning of the month. So that's why some people get their boxes like weeks before I do, or if you order it in the middle of the month, you'll keep getting it then. So it all depends on when you subscribe. So I am going to link down below both the Allure Beauty Box website as well as the Amazon link for Allure. And yeah, I'll also link down below the active giveaway I have going on that ends at the end of the month. It's a big beauty giveaway. Check it out after this video if you have not yet already. But let's get started and get this box open. I haven't peeked at all yet or watched any videos. So as usual, there is a pamphlet on top. And in here it will talk about the items, give the full size value, and then all the editors at Allure that pick the items will explain why they pick them, so it's not really like a product description. So I will leave that here, and then everything else is under some tissue paper. And get a little peek inside. Looks like we've got some larger items in here. Let's start with that. I didn't even tell you guys the pricing of Allure. Oh. Gosh, so for the first one, the Allure, it's $10 and then it's $15 thereafter. And it seriously is worth it because a lot of the times you get full-size items. And this may be one right here. So this is by Dr. Botanicals. This is the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. I actually just reviewed it and I'm using one of their night treatments. So let's see, what is this? It says, our products are fresh. Please use within 6 months after opening. Our Lemon Food Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter is a multi-purpose moisturizing balm and true skin savior that aims to nourish, hydrate, and protect the skin with the superfood power of lemongrass. So it says here, lemongrass is high in vitamin C and A. It works to brighten and provide antioxidant protection and soothe and replenish dry skin. And it is also formulated with coconut oil, and coconut oil is high in antioxidants and fatty acids that work to hydrate, restore, and protect the skin. Let's get this out. Oh yeah, this is definitely full size. This is larger than the other item I have by them, the night treatment. So you can use it as a moisturizer, as a treatment, as a cleanser. Wow, that's interesting. This really is multi-use. So there is a safety seal. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands. So it has a light yellow tint. Let's rub it. I love the scent of lemon. Or lemongrass, that smells so good, and this is definitely very moisturizing. I'm gonna put more on. I'm just gonna like use it as like a hand cream right now. I love it. I'm excited to use this. I don't really suffer from dry skin, but I've really enjoyed all of the items from Dr. Botanicals that I've tried. My favorite one is this like superfood like rose oil or Moroccan oil. It's a facial oil I really loved. But let's see how much this is, because I bet this is more than what I paid for the box. It's just about what I paid for the box. It's $14.90. And let's move on to the next item. This is Slimbuy Floss. We received a lip gloss by them before. Okay, good, I just checked. I didn't want it to be the same. I almost said flavor, the same shade. So this is the Floss. My new favorite lip gloss in Lax. This is definitely full size. We received just like a clear gloss, I think Yam or Yum, it's like Y-U-M was the name of it. And I actually got it in another box, and that is in my giveaway I was talking about. Ooh, pretty. So this gloss is $16. Wow, so more than what I paid for the box. See, like Allure, this is great. And I really like the formula of the other gloss I have. Just like a clear gloss with a pink tint. So there's a doe foot applicator. This is so pretty. I'm so excited to use this. So does it have a scent? It does. It smells really good. I have a little bit of lipstick on right now, but let's put some gloss over it. The lipstick I have on now is actually the one from Appeal Cosmetics we got last month, so I'll talk about that later. Yeah, it's kind of moving the lipstick around, but that's okay. It's not a liquid lipstick, it's a bullet lipstick. So yeah, I like it. It's very similar in color to the lipstick I had on, but it feels comfortable, smells good. I am really excited to have this because like I said, I really liked the other lip gloss we received, so awesome. And it looks like we have another full-size item. This is a full-size mascara by Rodial. I feel like I've heard this brand one time before, maybe a few times, but I don't know, I can't pinpoint where. This is the Rodial Glamo Lash Mascara XXL Extreme Black Lash Maximizer. So I'm not going to open it right now because I have mascaras open, and pretty much I'm addicted to my favorite mascara ever. Oh my gosh, this one's $28. This box has a high value, wow. And for all of these items, it seems that there are promo codes in here, so if you fall in love with the item, you can you know, go ahead and purchase it. So if you guys want promo codes for anything, just ask down below. But yeah, I'm not sure if I will keep this mascara or pass it on. $28 is more than like high-end mascara prices. So if you guys have tried this, I would love to know your thoughts. And then I'm going to grab another thing that's I would consider full-size because it's a mask. So this is the Ceramide Firming Mask by Lacoste. This is what it looks like, very shiny. So it says cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free. It is a sheet mask, or is it a sheet mask? Yeah, it is. Okay. At first I couldn't tell by the description. So I use masks several times a week. This will be used. And this mask is $3. And we have two more items in here. One I'm really excited to try. It's an Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and I've heard great things about the Urban Decay eye pencils. I think this is in black. I would have preferred to get it in a different color because I've heard they're great for the waterline. They have some vibrant colors. So yep, it is in black. I'm gonna swatch it because I do want to try it out. Oh, it's very creamy. So awesome. I am really excited to get this. I don't think it's full size. Well, it's definitely not, but this, I never go through eyeliners. I have a bunch open though. I mean, I probably shouldn't have even swatched that. The full size would be $22. I guess the shade name is 0. So it's black, but they call it, the shade name is 0. So I'm excited to try this. I'm doing, like I said earlier, I do reviews at the end of my video, so I'll let you guys know how it performs at the end of next month. And then let's talk about our last item here. This is by Maman. This is their Red Energy Recovery Serum. We've received 2 items in the past from Allure before. There was like a rose toner and a rose like foaming cleanser, and I really liked both of those. So I think this is just, yeah, it's 5 milliliters. It says Blossoming Energy. The full size would be $40. So I guess this is antioxidant rich and absorbs quickly without any stickiness. And it says it takes a couple weeks for the smoothing and brightening benefits to kick in, but the serum's hydrating powers can be felt instantly. So I'm not sure if there'll be enough here to use for a couple weeks, so I will try and use this enough to give you guys some feedback next month. But that is everything, and I think overall the March Allure box was great. We got so many full-size products, like the value is insane. So we got something by Dr. Botanicals, full-size, $28 mascara. I'm still like, what? And I still don't really know how I've heard this brand before. The gloss I'm probably the most excited about because it isn't a shade like that I could use like all the time. And this is like my go-to type of color. I can't wait to try the Urban Decay formula. I've heard good things. We got full-size mask, serum by a company I've liked things in the past. So I think this was a great month, you guys. It's awesome. I love when it's good. Totally worth the $15 or $10 if it's your first month. So yeah, you guys have to let me know. I think there are some variations, so let me know if you got anything different or what you think of your box. Anyways, let's move on to the review portion. So we'll review February's box now. If you missed February's video, I can link that down below, or if you want to see like first impressions. But I have several things in front of me. I had just rewatched my video and wrote it all down. So The first item I opened in the February box was actually a brush, so a full-size item, and this is by NYX Professional Makeup. And I'll be honest, I always wash my brushes now when I first get them, so I just used this for the first time today, and I have it's the number 2 brush, and I think it's a powder brush. So I used it to apply powder today, just like in my T-zone stuff with my Pure 4-in-1 powder, and I like it so far. I love getting brushes. It's always nice to have some powder brushes and stuff like that. I think it would make probably a good contour brush too, if you want to use it like for that as well. If you guys receive this brush, let me know how you use it, but I do think it's great. It's definitely good quality for drugstore. It's kind of expensive though. I think the price is like $14, which is almost the price of the box. Which is kind of expensive for drugstore, but drugstore prices are going up. But I will continue using this. I just added it to my brush collection. Now that it's clean, I'll clean out my current powder brush and use this going forward. The next item I opened was an Olay Retinol. It was like a bonus item in the box, and I put that in a giveaway, so I did not try that. The next item is by Wander Beauty. I just dropped it. It's the Wander Beauty After Hours, so it's a highlight. I have that on my face today. This is what it looks like. I can do another swatch for you. I think it might be like slightly too dark for me. I have to look again. Like, it is pretty. I tried to go light-handed. I do like it. It's not my all-time favorite highlight. I've really fallen in love with Wander Beauty products. Like, I have their bronzer on right now that I received in a different box. So I will use this, but I don't think it's going to be the one I reach for like every day. Maybe if I get like a little bit more of a tan. I don't know, you guys have to let me know. I think it looks just a little dark, but maybe that's just up close. But yeah, I was very happy to get this in the box. The next item I also put in a giveaway with that Olay cream. This is the Belief Eye Cream. Belief and Olay are both not cruelty free. That is why I passed them on. And then I already mentioned that I had this on my face. This is the Peel Cosmetics Ultra Cream Lipstick in Muse. And I do like it. I know the color looks slightly different now that I have the gloss on. It's very pink. It's like a rosy pink. And I'll just swatch it. Okay, that is not a great swatch right there, but it's in between the gloss and the eyeliner. So I do like this. I actually had to grab it from my purse because I wore it out like the other day. I don't know when it was exactly. So I have been wearing it. It's really comfortable, pretty. I kind of like mixing it with other colors, but like if I'm wearing a pink eye look, I've been like digging the monochromatic looks lately, so I do like this. I think the packaging is pretty cool, so yeah, I will continue using this. And again, this is another full-size item we got in Allure. It's crazy that they do that. The next thing we got was a Bare Minerals serum, and this is their Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. So it's supposed to mimic like your own skin, powered by long life herb, California poppy, and ginger extracts. And I've used this a handful of times. I honestly don't know what it's doing to my skin. Like, skincare is really hard to review in a short amount of time, especially when I'm trying multiple things. But I can say that it hasn't irritated my skin. And I think my skin has been doing really well lately. So this may be aiding in that. So yeah, I like it. I can't really speak on if it's like skin changing or anything like that, but it had a fragrance. I was worried that it might irritate my skin, but it did not. So that is good. And the last thing I don't have because I used it up, it was a sheet mask. I think I wrote down the name. It was by like Super Beauty Mask or something. It was like a rose mask that had like stem cell technology or something like that. I used it. I liked it. I like sheet masks. I like to use them before I do my makeup. I think it just like really like smooths my skin, hydrates it, preps it for makeup application. So yeah, no complaints there. So overall, I think February was a great month. Again, I would love to hear your thoughts, not only on the box I just opened, but your thoughts on your February box if you got it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're having an amazing day. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.